My name is Prashant Patel and I am from BTech final year. My project partners are Satyaveer and Harish Chandra, and we have together developed a very powerful hybrid model named as ARFIMA-LSTM combined with new sentiment analysis model for the stock market prediction. So in this model, we actually deployed two powerful model, ARFIMA-LSTM, and second one is new sentiment analysis model. So these are the two models which of different orientation. Like ARFIMA-LSTM is data driven and new sentiment analysis is actually a NLP model. So let's have a look at the simulation of the model so we can get a better understanding.
So this is basically our studio. We have taken it as a standard platform for our project development, and this is our final algorithm or the Python code, which is actually the diffusion of two very powerful models. One is RFIMA-LSTM, and second one is new sentiment analysis model. So let's see how exactly it is working. So here in the Jupyter notebook, first we have some standard libraries that are required for the simulation of that algorithm or Python code for the hybrid model. After that, we have taken standard data. Uh, let's look at the data. So one is these are the tweets of different companies like Tesla, Amazon, and we have chosen only Amazon for the simulation from this all the data. And second one is normal price history, in which in this data set we have contained open price, high, low, close, adjacent close, volume, and stock name. So let's look at the simulation results. So after this long pre-processing and using 10 epoch cycles, we have come to the result to these two charts where you can clearly see the difference. This is the result when we actually use RFIM-LSTM only as a model, and you can see the discrepancies and absurd values. Actually, the values are missing in between them, and the prediction is not quite well. But in that model, hybrid model prediction, that in so this is the result of a final model, which is actually very reliable, and you can see the continuous graph. It is not break in any point. It is showing clearly at any time scale. It is showing the predicted value of the stock that will be uh, quite that is quite good. So now let's take a deep look at how we have developed this algorithm. So as you can see, first these are the libraries, standard libraries. After that, we have taken the stock for analyzing, that is Amazon stock. And first we have analyzed the stock tweets. Actually, we have first deployed the new sentiment analysis model. So we have taken that tweet data, which is shown here. This is the data. So after that, this is the cleaning process of the data, like dropping the unwanted columns and calculating the sentiment score. And after that, it is ready for the prediction. Like you can see here, sentiment score, average, and how the sentiment is negative. What is the value of if it is negative? How is sentiment neutral and positive? So these are the values of the sentiments. After that, we have and second model we have deployed RFIM-LSTM, and the model is begin here. And we have taken stock finance data, price history data actually here, and deployed the RFIM-LSTM model with epoch. So you can see we have used 10 epoch cycles. Epoch cycles are basically the training cycles on which the model is trained. So after that, we have created the testing data here for the LSTM model. And after that, we have actually reset the data, and it is a required step for the prediction. And in that, we have diffused the two models actually here. And first, we have predict the result from ARFIMA-LSTM, which you can see here in a candlestick chart manner. Like you can see green, red, everything. That is candlestick chart. It's looking like a candlestick chart graph. And final in final, we have used that line chart for our final result, which is you can see continuous and good means it's it's accurate up to 85 to 90%. And in this model, we have deployed RMSE, the root mean square error, for the evaluation of our model for how accurate it is at the different data stocks we have taken. So this is the way our model works. And back to the R studio. So here, these are the standard. In this, we have created documentation also. Like for ARFIMA-LSTM, we have created separate document, and for new sentiment analysis, we have created separate document. And for better understanding, we have created one folder also where all the basic algorithms are deployed or actually showing how they work.